extraordinary evening with the NDTV Indian of the Year Lifetime Achievement Award. He started playing the sarod at the age of 6, but very quickly, he not only popularized a complex and difficult instrument, but he also revolutionized the world of Indian classical music. He's played in concerts all over the world, won almost every single major musical award there is, and he is a musical legend. To give the award for the Indian of the Year Lifetime Achievement, I'd like to call back Pranoy on stage. And if you could please put our hands together for Ustad Amjad Ali Khan Sahab, winner of the Indian of the Year Lifetime Achievement Award, sir. If you could please join us, and if you can also have your family on stage with us, sir. Can we have Mrs. Amjad Ali Khan Sahab and your 2 sons, Ayan and Aman, if you can join us. Oh, and Mr. Basina. Can we have the family as well on stage? Please come. That's why we have them up here. Wonderful to have all of you together. Khan Sahab, it's great to see all of you here, both the earlier and the present generation. But I just want to ask you one thing before I ask you about your music, that even today, you continue to practice every day?
It is very natural. When I am without the instrument also, I keep singing. And sometimes in the wrong places also, I keep humming and singing. But this constant connection with music is very important, I feel.
You know, you've had such an incredible life with so many different milestones that it's obviously always hard to single out any one. But is there one that stands out in your mind? Either a concert or an award or a performance?
I'm still trying for many things. I'm still hoping to achieve. My life is committed to the purity of sound and rhythm. And music is like an ocean. I'm just a drop in the ocean.
You know, one thing I wanted to ask you is that with all this noise around you, जो इतना हल्ला होता है हमारे देश में, खासकर अभी चुनाव का वक्त है, with so much noise around you, how do you as a musician manage to shut that out?
I think there's a great fear of noise pollution. We only talk of other kind of pollution, but music is the only strength. I think it's a blessings of God. Music is connect us to God. We say, Swar hi Ishwar hai. And through music, our family, we all feel connected with every soul of the world. We feel connected with every religion of the world. And because of music, we have harmony all over the world. And all the musicians of the world, we are like one small, single family.
Last question to you. What do you make of the current state of Indian classical music? Are you optimistic or are you worried?
I'm very happy seeing the young musicians of Aman's generation. There are so many very, very talented in every field, sitar, sarod, vocal. And I think this commitment is the most important thing. And encouragement at the right time. You know, like sportsmen, they are encouraged when they are 24, 25. Yeah. I'm very happy that Sachin got the Bharat Ratna at the very right age. So, but classical musicians, they are always considered when they are 70, 80, 90 or 100. But I think under 40s, classical musicians also should be encouraged. It will be a great encouragement, and they need that kind of encouragement.
Are you a strict dad when it comes to your sons and music? Or let them answer that, actually.
Good evening. I think he's well. He's a very friendly father, but overly strict teacher. Like, he would not talk to you if you're not too good with your music.
No, I take huge credit for contributing to his very elegant silver hair.
That's true. That is his trademark. Thank you very much indeed, Khan Sahab, and congratulations once again. Thank you very much.